this is with regards to the Kerala story. The West Bengal government has now filed its response on the Kerala story before the Supreme Court, defending the ban on the movie in the state. The state government has now said that the movie contains hate speech and is based on manipulated facts. West Bengal government has further said that the intelligence inputs have suggested that a law and order situation may have occurred if the movie is allowed to be screened. This is the latest response of the West Bengal government, which has been filed in the Supreme Court. For more details, I'm joined in by Kamalika Sengupta on the phone line. Kamalika, could you throw more light on what the West Bengal government has had to say in that affidavit it filed?
Well, that was the version of West Bengal government the day when Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee did the press conference and said that she feels and the government feels that this film has some malicious content which defames and belittles a particular community. And after 15 minutes to that, she directed the Chief Secretary to go for the ban of this film. So she herself directly said in the press conference that this film content is distorted fact. That's quote unquote what she used this term that point of time. And obviously, she also pointed out, and later on the statement which came from the state government was that there were inputs that this film might create unrest in Bengal. That was the point which they were saying from the very first, that this film might create unrest and law and order situation might deteriorate because of this film. And that is the reason for which they had to go for banning of this film. So this was their logic from the very first day before the film was banned. So that's what they have placed in the High Court. The number one, that this film will create unrest. Number two, that this film has distorted facts, it has distorted the facts. So these are the two logic which was given from the state government from very first moment.
Right. Kamalika, one is also wondering that when the Calcutta High Court is already addressing 4 cases related to the ban of this movie, why did this particular case have to be taken to the Supreme Court?
The director of this case, the director of this film, he has moved Supreme Court, and obviously defending that the state government and the Tamil Nadu government is also party in it. So there the state government was, the Supreme Court ordered the state government to file this affidavit. The Supreme Court had sent a notice to state government, as a result of which state government has filed this report.
All right. Many thanks to you, Kamalika Sengupta, for bringing in the latest on this news story. But we are not done.